Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a painting and decorating contractor license in California, also known as the C33 license. So this license is for people who work with painting, staining, textures, wallpapers, decorating, waterproofing, fireproofing, and similar painting work. So before applying, you need at least 4 years of journeyman level experience. So this means you can do painting and decorating work without any supervision. You also need to be at least 18 years old, and you must have a social security number or an ITIN. And once you meet the requirements, submit your application to the Contractor State License Board, also called as the CSLB. And after your application is processed, you can schedule your exams. And then you will need to pass the law and business exam and the C33 trade exam. And after passing both, complete the final paperwork. So once it is approved, your C33 license number will now be issued. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.